Crypto rally is full steam ahead on Bitcoin. Now with Bitcoin topping $83,000 today. That was the first time ever you can see it even getting closer to 84,000. Our very own Jared Blickery has the latest on that move that we're seeing. Jared.
Yes, 83,000. It was 81 just an hour ago when I was preparing for this hit. Here's Bitcoin, and let's take a look at the price action over the last 24 hours, definitely from the lower left to the upper right. And let's just take a look at the last 10 days so we can see what's happened since the election. There's that nice post-election pop, and we are up 20% from there. What's the next target? It would easily be easy to say 100,000, 125,000, and of course there are much higher targets there. But we can see within the last 5 years the pattern really strong here. This big cup and a little flag there, not quite a handle, that we got this pop out of, and so that's a very long-term base. It's like exactly where the short cap market is today. Russell 2000 probably a few months ago. So we'll see if there's an eventual breakthrough there, but not to get too ahead of ourselves. Dogecoin has been on an absolute tear. This is also a 5-year chart. So here are the record highs north of 50 cents in 2021. We are right now north of 30 cents. Take a look at the year-to-date chart, and it has just exploded along with the rest of crypto and a bunch of other stocks since the election, up 235% year-to-date. And I'd be remiss if I didn't go over some of the crypto stocks as well. Two in particular I'm watching that have just hit $300 per share. And let's go by Coinbase first, a little bit bigger in market cap. Here's the year-to-date chart. Coinbase has exploded to the upside, really just exploded past this resistance, that negative trend level there. And if we take a look at a max chart, which shows since the IPO, you can see we've basically come back to the beginning price. So almost all the way round tripping. That was kind of an ill-fated timing move for Coinbase because it happened to top tick the entire crypto market at the time. So Coinbase just kind of climbing back to break even here for some of those early investors. But here's MicroStrategy, just announced that it bought an additional $2 billion in crypto, 27,200 Bitcoin since the election, or since just before the election. And here's that max chart for MicroStrategy going all the way back to the early, that might be the late 1990s there, but we want to get a closer look. Here is a 3-month chart, up 131%. And I should also note that MicroStrategy led the Bitcoin breakout. MicroStrategy was hitting record highs before we saw that big breakout in Bitcoin just prior to the election. That's when the MicroStrategy breakout happened. So all in all, I will be watching MicroStrategy to see if there's a break in the price, to see if things roll over, but we're definitely not seeing that yet, guys.